Okay, let's look at the number line calculation. Here on the board we have minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5, we have to show the graphical representation of minus 4 plus 5 using the number line. Ordinarily, if you're asked to solve this to get the answer, your answer will be plus 1. Plus 1. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. Because in this case, we want to believe you're giving out 4 and what you have is 5. You're giving out 4 and what you have is 5. You're giving out 4 because 4 has a negative sign or a minus sign attached to it, and you have 5 because 5 has a plus attached to it. So if you give out the 4 you're supposed to give out from the 5 that you have, what will be left is 1, and that 1 is still yours, not someone else's 1. Because it is yours, it's going to have a plus sign. But let's see how we can use the number line to solve minus 4 plus 5. So you need to draw your number line. Draw a number line. Add your origin, 0. Then add your positive numbers written, 1, 2, 3. Add your negative numbers written, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let me stop at minus 4. Since what you have there is minus 4. Now, the question is minus 4 plus 5. Now, it means we are going to start from minus 4. From minus 4 to move 5 steps ahead of us. 5 steps ahead. Since it's plus 5, it means I will start from minus 4 to take 5 steps ahead on the number line. So from minus 4, I'm going to take 5 steps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are at 1. So minus 4 plus 5 from our number line is 1, because that's where we ended our 5th step. So this is how you solve simple directed numbers using the number line. Let's try another example. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2. Using the first explanation, these two numbers we have here, 3 and 2, are not yours. You're giving them out to someone that owns them. So, but they are with you, so you want to give them out. Or you owe somebody 3 and you owe another person 2. That is why they have negative signs attached to them, because they are not yours. So if you're giving out 3 and you're giving out 2, the total of what you're giving out is 5. And that 5 is not yours, it's someone else's number. So because it is someone else's number, the sign will not be plus, but the sign will be negative. So I have minus 5 given to as the answer, because I'm giving out 3 and I'm also giving out 2. But let's see how we can use number line to solve that problem. So draw your number line. Add your 0. You know, I said you can put your origin at any point. I choose to put it here because of the space for me to accommodate these numbers. So we have 1 and 2, which are the positive numbers. Here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 3, minus 2. So you go to where you have minus 3. Always start with the first number. Go to where you have minus 3. Then take 2 steps backward, not forward, but backward. Since it's minus 2, the steps will be backward. So from minus 3, 2 steps backward, we have 1 and 2. We are at minus 5. You can see your answer is minus 5. So this is how you solve problems using the number line. So in our next other class, we shall be dealing with a different aspect of the directed numbers. See you in our next other class.